What's happening, bass heads? You keep matching the wrong amplifier with the wrong speakers and tweeters, and here's why. All right, guys, coming at you from downforsoundshop.com. In this video, we're going to be talking about why you keep matching the incorrect amplifier with the wrong speakers, wrong tweeters. The number one thing is you're not matching the power ratings properly, and that can be due to you getting the wrong ohm load or you just not even paying attention to it whatsoever. Obviously, if you overpower your speakers, especially your tweeters, you're going to blow them up. You're not going to get good longevity out of them. They're not going to sound good. They're going to be overdriven. So say for instance, we'll just use this 6.5 inch Down for Sound Hexicone Neo, 300 watts RMS. So we have a JP234. This is you have them in 4 ohm and 8 ohm, but if, again, you have to make sure you're wiring the proper ohm load to the rating on your amplifier. For instance, the Down for Sound JP234 is rated at, we'll just say 250 watts by 4 at 4 ohm. So if you have this 4 ohm speaker, you're going to be getting 250-ish watts out of it. But we also make this in an 8 ohm speaker. So if you got the 8 ohm speaker and you wired it to it, I see this like time and time again as well. People are like, oh, it's not as loud as I thought it would be. They bought 8 ohm speakers and wired it to a 4 ohm rated amplifier, which is pretty standard in a 4-channel amplifier for it to be rated at 4 ohm. So they'll put it on the channel and it's going to be putting out, say, half the power at 8 ohm that it does at 4 ohm. So if you're only getting, say, 125 watts when you could be getting 250 watts if you had the correct ohm load hooked to the amplifier, it would obviously be a lot more perfectly fitting. We'll just say that. So make sure your ohm load is correct as well, and make sure you're matching the power ratings as well. Again, the best amplifier for the Neo version of the speaker would be the JP284, because it's going to give you around that 300 watts per channel, a little bit over, so it would match more perfectly with these. So the power, the ohm load, big, very important, especially on, again, like I said, tweeters. So we'll go into tweeters. We have a Down for Sound, this is a DW2 ST-R3. These are rated 50 to 100 watts RMS. So with tweeters, you do not want to overpower them, because look how small this is. This is a very delicate speaker. You don't want to overpower them. You definitely don't want to clip them or distort them, send bad signals through them, because it is going to blow them in a hurry. So if it's rated 50 to 100 watts RMS, personally, I would do like a JP, like an amplifier is going to be around 75 watts, like in the middle of those ratings, 75 watts RMS or 100 watts RMS at the most. So something I would pair with these particular tweeters would be like a JP84 or a Minimax 100.4. Somewhere in those two amplifiers is where I would slide in on that. Again, same thing. If you have the 8 ohm tweeter and you hook it to an amplifier like a JP84, we'll just say it does 100 by 4. It's only going to be giving you 50 by 4 or maybe less. So then you're going to be barely at the RMS power on that amplifier because the ohm load is not correct. And vice versa, like if you do the the 4 ohm model of this, it's going to request the amplifier to put out more power because it's a lower ohm load. So that's the big reasons why you might not be getting the sound that you're looking for. You got the wrong ohm loads, you got the wrong amplifier, you're either overpowering, underpowering. So this is why we try to make these videos, to help you guys out on making sure you're matching up your car audio equipment properly. Thank you for joining me in another video here at Down for Sound. If you need anything, hit us up, downforsoundshop.com, or give us a call, 702-701-9800. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to